Welcome back to my channel, and thanks to all the people who take the time out of their busy schedule to view my channel and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Today I'm cooking garlic butter shrimps. So I've added my butter to melt, 1 stick of butter to melt, and this is my shrimp that I've already cleaned up and prepared. Onion, garlic, and scallion. And my butter here is melting. My butter is melted. So I'm going to add the garlic and ginger to the butter. Smelling so nice. So I'm going to add my onion. I'm going to add my peppers, scallion, I'm going to add this coconut milk. Into the sauce. Some spice. Some seafood. This is that. All-purpose seasoning. Some paprika. And this is some red pepper seeds. Is coconut cream, lots of cream, my garlic butter, coconut cream, shrimp, and spaghetti.